Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Square Online Payments API step by step clearly. To start authorizing with the Square Online Payments API, visit the Square Developer Dashboard. Log into your Square account or create a new one if you don't have one already. Once logged in, navigate to the Apps section. Click on the Create an App button. Enter a name for your app and select the appropriate permissions. After creating the app, make a note of your app ID and access token. Next, locate the API credentials section in the app settings. Make sure to enable the Payments API. Open your preferred coding environment to begin implementing the authorization process. First, import any necessary libraries, such as requests for Python or Axios for JavaScript. Create a function to initiate the authorization request. Set the endpoint for Square's Payments API. Prepare your authorization headers, including your access token. Construct your request body with the required payment details. Send a POST request to the API with the headers and request body. Check the response status to confirm if the authorization was successful. Handle any potential errors by reviewing the API response. If successful, you will receive a confirmation with the payment authorization details. Finalize your integration by testing the payment authorization with different scenarios. Make necessary adjustments based on the results of your tests to improve reliability. Once everything is functioning as expected, you're ready to implement the feature in your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.